Hi, my name is Sachin Shivnath Poranla. I'm going to give the project individual reflection presentation of my project. That is warehouse management system. Our project details are: the project title is warehouse management system. The organization is Clifford Healthcare, and our client name is Mr. Nishad Ali, the warehouse manager, and the project started date is from 16th and the end is 17th October. And we have the sprint details. Our team members are Komalpreet Kaur, Sachin Shivnath Poranla, Savita Kapil Sharma. Our team leader is Komalpreet Kaur. She's a project manager. Myself as a database administrator, and Savita quality assurance and software testing. Kapil Sharma is a front-end designer. Our project stakeholders, the main stakeholders are our project client Nishad Ali, Mr. Nishad Ali, and the project supervisor Mr. Rachid Ahmed Hamadi, and our project tutor Rajshekhar Natarajan, and a project lecturer Bilal Chowdhury. And internal stakeholders are Komalpreet Kaur, Savita, Sachin Shivnath Poranla, and Kapil Sharma. The external stakeholders are Federation University MIT as a system customer. Our project overview is named as a warehouse management system. It is basically a web-based application that is designed for our client to have a large warehouse in which there are multiple products, in which it has a dashboard where our client can see the progress and work related to the warehouse. The system has also different modules in which different types of tasks are performed. Some of these are transaction module, report generation module, alert modules, and also the management system in which will help our client to manage each and every detail of the products in the warehouse, from the maintenance of the products, of the traceability of the product, in which each and everything will be done with the help of the system. Based on the real-time information of the product status and its corresponding storage location, the warehouse management system manages all the stocks that are inside it. At the time allocation to the project, which is the project activities description and the hours we have spent. Our weekly lecturers, which is 24 hours. The total workshop, which is of 48 hours. Our client meetings is about 8 hours, and the supervised meetings, you can see the project storyboard, roadmap, research, and the product at our facts that are sprints, demonstration, and write-up. Total 537. This is our Gantt chart. You can see the project initiation, project planning, the project execution, the sprint 1, 2, 3, and the project closeout. These are the duration of days which I have spent from the starting to the end date. The literature review overview, we look at issues that arise during the redesign of a warehouse or a warehouse subsystem in this project. We identify clusters of articles relating to specific issues as well as research gaps that need to be assessed in the future. On the other hand, design-oriented approaches focus on the synthesis of a large number of technological systems as well as planning and control techniques. In the literature review of our case studies on warehouse model, operation, research, and material handling literature, design methods for warehouse, the warehouse design problems on strategic, tactical, and operation level. The major contributions of the project are: as a database administrator, it is more of an operational or technical level, responsible for physical database design, security enforcement, and the database performance, in which the tasks include normally maintaining the database dictionary, the monitoring performance, and enforcing organizational standards and security. Generally, a database administrator manages and maintains software databases such as like client records, the statistical surveys, the information which is of user accounts and library catalogs. A database administrator provides secure access to databases and manages backup solutions to prevent loss of data in the event of the system failure, which is the database design and the accessibility and performance and capacity issues, working on scheduling the sprints, defining user stories, and also the major contribution was to learn to create the ERD model and to develop the activity diagram, learn to create the sequence diagram and worked on crude operations, developing DFD diagrams also. The other contributions are the contribution in documentation of assessments, the storyboard, the project approach, the storyboard in which worked on defining the collaboration techniques during the project, success and acceptance criteria, project approach, the product roadmap which defined user stories, defined product backlog, developed DFD diagram, worked on revised user stories. The other contributions are product demonstration, the promo video, the presentation slides, poster, the project write-up, and also the other contributions which are of sprint 1, 2 and 3. The login, my role was to log in for administrator, add product module, delete and view product module. And sprint 2, the search module, billing module, view and making transaction module. And sprint 3, report generation module, all transaction modules, warehouse manager login module. What I've learned from this project: I've learned to use different tools and technologies, working on building the database, maintaining records of stock intake and outbound. I've also learned to create the ERD model of the project and its importance so far in the project, and have learned how to develop the activity diagram for the project and creating project milestones, and also learned to create a sequence diagram of the project and its importance. I've also worked on different crude operations. That our team members' regular communication and coordination was very good, and the time management was reasonable, and also learned to make each and every requirement of the user is fulfilled in order to make the acceptance and success rate higher. Improvements in the project: a practical field experience would be great. The interactions and demonstrations in live would be very useful further. Activities in the process with client would have been more feasible. The personal reflection and summary of the project: I thank my tutor, lecturer, supervisor, client and team members who have supported and encouraged me in the project to learn and perform business processes by using new tools and methodologies and technologies. Especially, I thank my lecturer and tutor who have supported me at this tough time and made me strong to complete the project on time. As being part of this project made me learn very new skills and knowledge, and improvements have been developed in interacting with groups. Being a student of enterprise systems and business analytics made me gain good knowledge and made me learn how to deal with projects. Every team member is assigned with individual tasks in the project, in which the firstly team formation, and then we get project proposal, and then the project storyboard, and then project roadmap and user stories, then literature reviews, product backlog, set of questionnaires, case studies, revised user stories, sprints 1, 2 or 3, which are divided into 3 parts, and different diagrams like DFD, ERD models, ASIs to be process model, like that, and the modules, charts and databases, milestones, expectations, limitations, findings and testings, references, and also they have made a promo video and they have given the project demonstration, and also the completion of the report and the project write-up. Thank you. Before finishing it, I want to show a project write-up. The table of contents, which we can see the chapter from chapter 1, the introduction to client project backlog, project teams and objectives, the client requirements, user stories, revised user stories, use case diagrams, and as is process flow diagrams, and the related academic and commercial research as chapter 2, chapter 3 as methodology, and chapter 4 project discussion. And also we can see the stock management and the crude operations which are included in sprint 1, 2, 3. And in chapter 5 the findings, limitations and recommendations we can see, and chapter 6 the testing processes and the performance testing is happened, and also the references, the appendix, the backlog items, major milestones and deliverables. The project milestone report is at the end, and also the Gantt chart is provided in the end.